Have you ever felt like life was spinning out of control, like the weight of the world was resting on your shoulders? We all experience moments when stress, overwhelm, and burnout consume us. But here's the thing, we often overlook the signs that tell us we need a break. Today, let's uncover these signs together and explore simple and effective ways to recharge ourselves. Restlessness. Do you find yourself constantly fidgeting, unable to settle into a moment of calm? Restlessness is a red flag, a gentle nudge from your soul urging you to pause and find stillness. Take a walk in nature, breathe in the fresh air, and let the world around you soothe your spirit. Sleepless nights. When the moonlight becomes your companion and sleep eludes you night after night, it's time to listen to your body's cries for rest. Create a peaceful bedtime ritual, embrace the comfort of a cozy blanket, and let your dreams carry you to a place of serenity. Dietary changes. Have your eating habits taken a sudden turn? Whether it's overindulging or losing your appetite, your body is using food as a messenger. Nourish yourself with wholesome meals, savor each bite mindfully, and let the flavors dance on your tongue, reminding you of the joy of nourishment. Vanishing motivation. When even the simplest tasks drain your energy and motivation, it's a sign that your inner fire needs rekindling. Take time to read a book that sparks your imagination, lose yourself in the melodies of music that stir your soul, and rediscover the passion that ignites your purpose. Frequent illness. Is your body succumbing to illness more often than usual? It's a plea for rest and self-care. Nurture your immune system with ample sleep, nourishing foods, and gentle exercise. Give your body the chance to heal and rejuvenate. Depleted energy. If you feel like a battery drained of its power, it's time to recharge. Find solace in moments of solitude, meditate, or practice yoga to reconnect with your inner energy source and allow the stillness to revitalize your spirit. Difficulty concentrating. When your mind wanders aimlessly, unable to focus on even the simplest tasks, it's a sign that your mental faculties are in need of respite. Take breaks throughout the day, engage in deep breathing exercises, and create a calm and clutter-free environment that invites clarity of thought. Indifference. Are you feeling numb, disconnected from the world around you? It's a call to reignite your sense of wonder and curiosity. Seek out new experiences, engage in meaningful conversations, and allow yourself to be fully present in each moment. Cynicism. When cynicism seeps into your thoughts and colors your perception, it's a sign that your soul is longing for renewal. Surround yourself with positive influences, engage in acts of kindness and gratitude, and let optimism guide your path. Lost joy. If you've misplaced the sparkle in your eyes and forgotten the joy that once danced in your heart, it's time to embark on a journey of self-discovery. Engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's pursuing a hobby, spending time with loved ones, or simply allowing yourself to be playful and carefree. Remember, taking a break doesn't mean you're giving up. It means you're prioritizing your well-being. So, let's embrace the signs that tell us we need a break and take action today. Recharge your body, nourish your mind, and ignite your spirit. You deserve it. As the wise Maya Angelou once said, each person deserves a day away in which no problems are confronted, no solutions searched for. So, I challenge you. Will you grant yourself the gift of a break today? Will you honor the signs and embark on a journey of self-care and rejuvenation?